Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor living with our list of the top 5 best gazebos for your outdoor space. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat or a stylish, entertaining area, there's a gazebo on this list perfect for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Backyard Discovery Saxony Grill Gazebo. The Backyard Discovery Saxony Grill Gazebo is as a game changer for those who love hosting outdoor cookout sessions. Its expansive design accommodates up to 2 standard grills, 1 griddle, and 1 smoker. With this gazebo, you can convert your patio into an efficient outdoor kitchen. The 10 accessory hooks that you'll receive make it easy to create an organized space for all of your grilling tools. You can keep your countertops clutter-free and ready for prep work or serving thanks to this setup. Gifted with strength, this gazebo is constructed out of naturally durable cedar wood stained with a light brown finish. This perfectly offsets the corrosion-resistant roof made out of black steel. The 29-gauge brown steel roof also assures dent resistance and durability for year-round grilling. The gazebo also comes with 2 built-in powder-coated steel countertops as well, making it our top choice. Next up, we have the CLAM Pop-Up Gazebo. Experience outdoor comfort with the CLAM Pop-Up Gazebo. This 6-sided shelter is an amazing choice for outdoor enthusiasts. It accommodates up to 8 people, making it ideal for camping, enjoying sporting events, and having picnics. This gazebo comes with 7 tent stakes, 5 tie-down ropes, and an oversized carrying bag for easy transport and repacking. The built-in corner grommets and hub pull straps simplify setup, and eye bolts are included for securing external tie-down straps. The roll-up wind panels and adjustable mesh windows provide added versatility. With its quick setup, durable materials, and bug protection features, this gazebo is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts who value comfort and convenience. Moving on to our third pick, the Grand Patio Gazebo. The Grand Patio Gazebo is the perfect addition to any outdoor setting. This high-grade steel gazebo has a rust-resistant e-coating and powder coating finish for increased durability in various weather. The wood grain heat transfer effects on the columns and ribs add a low-maintenance, natural look that will never go out of style. Plus, the 2-tone fabric design adds a stylish touch to any outdoor space. The gazebo has been designed for quick and effortless assembly without the need for any tools or screws. With just 2 people, it can be installed in 30 minutes, making it ideal for those who like convenience in their lives. Its quick detachable design offers exceptional seasonal flexibility, allowing you to dismantle the canopy fabric and sidewalls in advance during the winter for cleaning and storage. Each leg base connects to the ground with stakes for extra stability. Our fourth pick is the Backyard Discovery Gazebo. The Backyard Discovery Gazebo comes in walnut and light brown color options. It also comes in multiple roof styles and sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your garden space. And since it is made from cedar wood, enhancing its durability and giving it a stylish look. The roof's steel peak design provides added strength. Its corrosion-resistant build increases its durability, and it can also withstand heavy snow loads of up to 30 inches. Additionally, it utilizes steel brackets and anchoring plates to provide stability to the structure. Meanwhile, the insulation reduces heat transfer, ensuring comfort even in harsher temperatures. The easy-to-follow assembly instructions, multiple size options, and sturdy build have made this gazebo the best on this list. Last but certainly not least, we have the Yardistry Gazebo. Another option is the Yardistry Gazebo, which is sure to delight anyone looking to create a cozy space in their backyard. It comes ready to assemble and includes pre-cut and pre-drilled parts, so you won't need any special tools during assembly. Even better, this pick comes pre-stained as well to create a more authentic look. Additionally, it is made from 100% cedar for added durability and attractiveness. The materials used in its construction are both elegant and long-lasting, making this gazebo ideal for anyone wanting to add a bit of flair to their property. As an added touch, this pick has an aluminum roof that comes in a nice brown coffee color for protection against the elements. It also provides a pretty roomy space, so you can place even larger chair sets inside without worry. And there you have it, the top 5 best gazebos in 2024. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.